So one of the hot button issues dominating the space since champs is the now influx of foreign athletes. Uganda, Kenya, St. Lucia, Grenada, Anguilla, Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos are just some of the countries that have been providing champs athletes to Jamaican schools over the last decade or so. And as expected, some pushback is coming. People are complaining why they must carry so many foreigners to get out Jamaicans and blah, blah, blah. But you see, as the man with the most credible opinion on all issues of controversy, me say not a thing is wrong with foreign students attending high schools and playing sports in Jamaica, as long as they are legitimately registered students of the school and are eligible to play sport, meaning they are under 19 and attending classes. That, for me, should be the only requirements for students to represent their schools in sports. The only discrepancy with these foreigners coming here is that up to a certain age, ISA allows them to come into the schools and play sports immediately, while Jamaicans transferring from one Jamaican school to another Jamaican school have to sit out a year. Yes. No, that rule must go. But otherwise, we should not tell the foreigners no.